We have a beautiful monitor option coming from Samsung, which is considered to be one of the best brands when it comes to manufacturing monitors and TVs. That being said, you should always have high expectations from a brand like Samsung. Let's start with its technical specifications first. Samsung didn't design this monitor for gaming only. However, you will find that most people use this monitor because of its excellent color reproduction and sharpness due to its high resolution. The overall diagonal length of the monitor is 34 inches, so you can assume that it's fairly large in size. For such a size of a monitor, Samsung decided to use one of their advanced V8 panels with WQHD resolution, 3440 by 1440p, that looks pretty amazing. And, if you are upgrading from a full HD monitor, you will notice the difference right away. This monitor is highly suitable for you if you are a casual gamer, as it's meant for professional use mostly. Yet, it supports a fast 75Hz refresh rate and has a 4 milliseconds fast response time, so playing sim racing games should not be an issue for this monitor either. In addition, you also get the advantage of AMD FreeSync, so there's no need to worry about any issues like screen tearing or stuttering. Taking a look at its design, the screen is almost borderless, although there are small bezels, they are not at all distracting. In fact, it's not a curved monitor, so you will love using it for productive tasks like video editing, and color correction in images, as the viewing angles are pretty good and cause no interruption. However, if we move to the backside, you will notice that the monitor stand is fixed, and offers no height adjustments, so that is a bit of a downside. Otherwise, the monitor is absolutely brilliant in terms of visual quality. Moreover, it has 1x DisplayPort 1.4, 2x HDMI 2.0, and a headphone jack at the backside. In addition, there's a VESA-compatible mount that will allow you to customize your desktop in whichever way you want. On top of it all, Samsung offers a 3-year long warranty for this monitor also. Best features of this item. Features a 34 inches V8 panel. Has 3440x1440 ultrawide quad HD, 2K+ resolution. Fast 4 milliseconds response time. Supports refresh rate up to 75Hz. Comes with 1x DisplayPort 1.4, 2x HDMI 2.0, and a headphone jack. Features picture-by-picture mode and eye-saver mode. Comes with a 3-year long warranty. Pros of this item. Highly useful for multitasking. Gaming experience with low input lag mode is very smooth. Shows no stuttering or screen tearing. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.